Okay guys, mount your camera on a tripod. You use portrait mode. You walk in, you can bend down. Look at me there, that is me. So as you bend down, you can decide to do anything. Then after that, the next thing is to do as if you splash the light on the ground. Then you can wash it for some time. All right, after washing it, the next thing is to do as if you picked something from something. All these are imaginary. Okay, look at me there. I am doing as if I picked something. Then gradually you bring your hand up, then you balance your hand, make your hand to be steadfast for some time. All right, then after that, you can do as if you release the something back into where you picked it from. Then after that, you can do a thumbs up, then you can walk out. Okay, save the video to your gallery and head over to CapCut. Okay guys, click on CapCut, new project. All right, you import your video to workspace. Click on your video guys and locate volume. To do this to 0, mark on this good and go back. We locate where we want this video to start from. From here you click it and make a split. You delete this first part, we don't need it again. Locate where you want the video to end. All right, look for where you want the video to end. All right, immediately you stand up, you are going to be clicking it again to make another split. You delete that last part, you come back. The next thing now is to click on overlay. All right, add overlay, import this pool to workspace. Go and look for mask. So import the pool, you locate mask guys, click on mask and click on circle. Then you mark out the pool the way you want it to be. All right, just do your necessary adjustments. After that, you can play with this feather icon here. All right, after playing with the feather icon, you mark on this good, you are going to be going back. Okay, mark on the good and go back. Turn the pool the other way around. Click on the pool and turn it. Thank you. Turn it to the other way around. After turning it, you bring it down. All right, so the next thing is to come and click on volume so that we silence the pool voice. Mark on that good and go back. You cropple the pool. Okay, you cropple the pool and drag it back to a point. All right, where you splash you do as if you splash light to that point. After then, now you drag it to a line there. You click on the pool. Click on the pool. Now you are going to be adding keyframe. All right, add keyframe, then you adjust it. After adjusting it, you review the pool again. Review the pool. After revealing the pool, the next thing is to adjust the pool to go and locate the point you want to pick fish from the pool, to make sure that, look at it, your hand went inside. So click on the video and expound it, then you drag it up so that your hand, when it comes, will be on top of the pool, not inside. Look at it. So you do your necessary adjustment. After you have gotten it, you come back, click on add overlay. All right, then you import this green screen fish here that we want to use. You look for remove BG. Look for remove BG guys. Click on remove BG, chroma key, you mark it to green point, you mark on this good and go back. You click it again and locate adjust. Okay, you click on adjust, then you look for HSL. Click on HSL, mark on green and drag it to 100%. You mark on this good and go back. After that, now you drag the fish down. You can crumple it a little bit, all right? You can crumple it a little bit. So it is at the point of picking the fish now. So you allow it to move in. When it gets to a point, after the whole fish has revealed itself, the next thing we are going to be doing is to click on the green screen to silence the volume. So click on volume, reduce it to 0, mark on this good and go back. So at this point now, before you pick the fish, before you look at the whole fish as reviewed now, do your necessary amendment or adjustment. So before you pick the fish, all right, we are going to be doing something, okay? You will go and look for freeze. As you click it, go and look for freeze. We are freezing this part here. Then you freeze it, all right? Click on the last one and delete it, okay? Delete it. So you come back now. We are clicking on this freezed part to add our key frame, okay? Drag it down and make it align. After aligning it, you click it and add your keyframe, okay? Then you click it and drag it to cover the whole video. After that, you come back now. So at this point, we want this fish to move with our hand. As you adjust your video, you click on the fish and turn it, all right? Take it to the point of your hand, all right? Take it to the point of your hand. Look at what I am going to be doing here now. You are moving the fish to the point of your hand, okay? Move the fish with your hand, move it up and place it at the point of your hand. You move the video again, all right? As you move the video again, you are still going to be dragging the fish to the point of your hand, okay? This is what we keep doing until your hand balanced, until your hand relax, okay? But at this point, we don't want this video to be too long, so we are fast forwarding it. But when you get to this place, so the next thing is the point of dropping the fish. Immediately you move the video, you are going to drag this fish back to the pool, okay? Drag it back, position the fish at the point of being inside the pool, then you bring it down into the pool. Good. So at this point, as you are still moving the video, you are moving the fish. Let it be as if when they fall inside the pool, that the fish is still moving, okay? This is what you are going to do. Do it gradually, so that it will look okay, okay? Look at what I am doing. You move it, let it be moving until you do your thumbs up. Then immediately you stand up to walk out, okay? We are going to be doing something. So you can see that these ones are longer. So you click here and make a split. Click this one and make a split. Delete this. Click them to align with the main video. So at the end now, we are going to be playing the video from the beginning. But as far as I'm concerned, this video is ready. What will be remaining here is to add your sound effect, your light effect, every other effect, and after that you export your video to your gallery. All right, if you don't know how to add those things, the best thing you will do is to DM me, as my number is at the description of this video. I am going to put you through on how to add your necessary effects, and after adding your effects, then you export your video to your gallery, okay? You can see that the video is still playing. Why we should allow it to play is to know if there is any error. But after watching the whole video, if there is no error, the next thing we are going to be doing now is to click on export. So click on export. As you export this video to your gallery, you can see that the video is exporting. All you need to do is exercise patience and allow the video to finish exporting. At this point, this video I've installed in your gallery. Can now share it to your social media handles. Like, comment and share this video so that YouTube will recommend it to other subscribers out there, okay? In case you have any magic tricks or effects you would like us to create together, drop them at the comment section, okay? And if you are just coming across our YouTube channel, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates. Locate your notification bell and smash it so that YouTube will always notify you whenever we drop our amazing tutorials, okay? Make sure you watch this video to the end because there are other benefits to take home from this video, all right? See you in our next video. Thank you for watching.